Daka Miej ban pynsuk iaki paidbah kabor Senchar District Ri-Bhoi kala pentrai kam Daka Miej iarap ni ke help desk hapo ka office trikam jong Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi ryngkat Nomber ai jingiram bakerpang ban pynsuk iaki paidbah ban bu ki jingli bat bu din ya ki kam jongki bat jingwujor halor ki kam bat ki jing shakri bapher ba la pentrai kam da kate ka office sarkar Nomber pra iwe lai iwe pra iwe kendai iwe ontrai kam lingba ka phone bat WhatsApp nadu ka shpau trek leber jarpsan nadu ka por shpau beje minstem hadu san beje janmit ha kisngi long tray ban yarap iki paidbah ban yo jingtem ha ka bedei bat ke jing tray kam jong kate ka office ban bot dien ya ki kam ki jam ki kot kisla badan kam ki scheme sarkar ki jing tip halor ke jing don jong ki nong tray ni officer ha ka office jong Deputy Commissioner bat ki weki office ya kan ye ke help desk ryngkat u helpline number la play do Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal ryngkat ke jingdon lang ke Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi ke kong balakenti rani lem bat ke jingsaki ki nong tre sarkar ha kate ka office na kalyang u DC ka Ri-Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal ryngkat ka kong B rani ADC ka Ri-Bhoi kilaong bakani ka jingyarap ya ki paidbah khamtam ki paidbah ki basa kham jingai bakim dan kam ban wan mi sha office u DC bat ban pelut ka bai kali ka nongsngi na ka benta ban bot din yagi kam ki jam jongki henry ban jupo ni WhatsApp how te number
jing pentep ki paidbah barok paidbah pokok jingilam juga DC jongi nila pli kering helpless kebadan upun number bila ai hang ni kang bagi beri barok badan kam DC office kila ban bot din ki kam ki jam ki jongki kila ban pun hulu number ban kli lagi kam ki jongki ki branch bape pen kala dap ya ki kalong kaski ke bakong san bat kari ka jing persang ke barat ke jongi ban punduna lari ban kampus ki paidbah bikin don kam ban wan ban pulut bai kali na jengai bikin yo ke jing tip lumbau ni number bat kila ro ban bu ki message jongki WhatsApp kang bangila ban facilitate na banera iki ban yo ka service ka por bian
Our office, Deputy Commissioner office, we have started this practice of help desk. 2 people are being dedicatedly appointed for the same. Anyone who comes to office and seeks any guidance regarding where is the revenue branch or for that matter establishment, anything, they can ask them. Secondly, they are being also provided a phone number. So if any person has any work with DC office and they require a follow-up, they can ask the concerned staff and over phone, and they can follow up so that the person so that the members of the public do not have to come to office again and again just for the same piece of work. They can get information over phone and WhatsApp. Simultaneously, after, let's say, after they have visited the office, if they have certain complaints or grievances with the office and they want to register the same, they can again approach the help desk and register their feedback and complaints and grievances. So basically, these 2 people will be equipped with every information that is there to be provided to public, and the idea is to facilitate public as much as possible so that their numerous trips to DC office can be minimized.